Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna teach you how to create a gorgeous and sparkling soft pink eye makeup look with glitter. It's gonna be super beautiful and easy. All you need to do is follow along with me step by step. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to use the dark pink eyeshadow and apply it all over my eyelids using a flat and fluffy brush, and I blend it well to ensure that it covers my entire eyelid. I will take a lighter shade of pink eyeshadow and apply it all over my eyelid using the same brush. I will make sure to blend it well and also blend it into the crease area to ensure smooth transition without any harsh lines. Next, I use a very light pink shade and apply it to my entire lower lash line. Take a small flat brush and apply a bit of concealer to it, starting from the outer corner of your eyelid, where the crease line is visible. Draw a line outward and create a wing, extend it until the point I'm indicating, and I will cover this area nicely with concealer, just like when we apply winged eyeliner but using concealer instead. I also repeat the same step at the inner corner of my eyelid, following the line of my crease like the cut crease technique, but I won't extend it too far into the middle. Avoid applying concealer and drawing the lines in the middle of your eyelid. You want the center of your eyelid to be free of concealer and lines. However, I use a smaller brush to blend and soften any areas with visible lines, ensuring a smooth and seamless finish. Next, I apply a white eyeshadow to the outer corner and the inner corners of my eyelids, where I apply the concealer in order to add some brightness. I will once again use the pink eyeshadow, but this time I want to make the middle of my eyelid and the crease area more bold. I'll blend it well to ensure there are no harsh lines. I use the pink eyeshadow again. I'm drawing a pink line above the wing on the area where the straight line is created with concealer. I'm using an eyeliner brush for this purpose. Additionally, I'm doing the same thing at the beginning of my eyelid. I use white glitter with an eyeliner brush to create a curved line starting from the inner corner of my eye. This technique adds a beautiful sparkle to my makeup and I highly recommend trying it. The next step is to use purple glitter. I apply the glitter to the center of my eyelid using my finger. It looks truly beautiful and the glitter really enhances the overall makeup look. I use a liquid eyeliner for this step. Starting from the outer corner of my eyelid, I create a wing and continue towards the center. Usually I don't extend it all the way to the beginning of my eyelid, as this style suits my eyes better. Now it's time for false eyelashes. I've decided to darken my lower lash line. I start from the outer corner and apply a dark color until the middle. Thank you so much for watching the video so far. I hope the tutorial has been helpful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I post tutorial videos every week, so if you're interested in makeup, make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated and not miss out on new videos. I love you all and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye! When you alone, all I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you